There, drain plug in place, soldered in place. Thinking about maybe putting muriatic acid on all that brass and soldering all of that. Not sure. Got a lot of flux on the outside of it. But gotta get me another brush and clean up the inside. But we have a bottom. We have a fuel tank. Got to clean up rocker arms and clean up bolts. Clean up that. I've got gasket material coming today. High heat stuff. Make that gasket and make the whole works. Got to do the head, check the valves. Real close. Oh, I gotta make me a doohickey. Gotta make a magnet booster.